Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how to make $100 per day with an underground traffic. The method I want to show you today works a lot. Okay, so all you have to do is just to put in a little work and be consistent. Okay, that's the main thing. You have to be consistent in this method I want to show you. Okay, and be patient. Okay, because it's not a get rich quick scheme. And if you like what I do in this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and smash the notification bell. So without any further ado, let's go straight to the offer. Okay, so to get an offer to promote, we want to head straight to clickbank.com. So on getting to clickbank.com, we want to type in dating, because dating niche converts a lot. Okay, so after typing in dating niche, then we have to sort it by recurring and rebill, so that we're getting paid every month through anyone that purchases the product through your link. So by hitting recurring and rebill, it will pop up all this. So I've already got an offer among all this one to promote, which is called irresistible text women dating offer, and it's got the gravity of 26.25, which is okay for us to promote. So for us to promote this, we want to hit this promote button and wait for it to load up. Then you type in your ID here, and generate the hop link. So just pay good attention to what I'm trying to show you in this video, okay, so that you'll be able to see a good result. Okay, so after popping up the hop link, you copy this and paste it in your notepad. Okay, so paste it in your notepad, then you minimize and close this. So we are through with our offer. So the next thing to do is to drive traffic to the link, okay, to our hop link, so that you'll be able to make some money with that. So to do that, we want to create a simple landing page. So to create a simple landing page, you want to use our Google site to create a simple landing page, and Google site is 100% free to use. Okay, you don't have to pay any fee, you don't have to subscribe, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is just to type inside the google.com, and it will bring you to this page. Then you choose any of these free templates. They are all 100% free to use. So to choose any of these, you want to choose this restaurant, and you choose this restaurant template, and you wait for it to load up. So this is the page. So what we want to do here is I want to change all this to our own taste. Okay, to change all this, we want to first change this. Okay, so this heading here, which is restaurant, I want to change it to dating. Okay, let me on the cap lock, dating and relationship. So we are good to go. Dating and relationship. Then we remove all this top bar here. We want to remove all this, okay, because we didn't need all this. So to remove all this, you want to hit this page, then you head over to contacts, you remove this, delete, then you go to the next option, then you delete this also, you delete, then you delete this also, because we didn't need all this. Okay, so you have to delete this. So after you are done with removing all the top pages, so we want to edit this. So we want to change this to dating tips. So we type in dating tips, and we are done. And you remove this, and we'll remove this also if you don't need this. And you scroll down, and this image, we should change this image here, and you change this image, you hit this, and you replace image, select image, and Google image search, and you type in dating, because we are promoting dating niche, right? So you type in dating, so that to pop up all dating images, and you hit OK. So all these are dating images. All you have to do is to choose one of these. Let's choose one of these. Let me check through all this. Let's check through. Let's see. I think I like this. Let's choose this, and you insert, so it will automatically change the image. So can you see this? It has automatically changed it. Okay, so the next thing to do is we remove this, we don't need this. So we scroll down, then you type in relationship advice, relationship advice, relationship 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 advice. So use our relationship advice as the heading, and we head straight to the article. So to type in the article, we want to go to google.com, okay, to source for article to use. So to search for article, you want to type in best relationship advice into the search bar, and it will pop up all these results, and you go straight to this website here, which is let's see, which is theeverygirl.com. Then you open it. So it will pop up new 15 piece of advice to help you build a healthy relationship. So all these are relationship advice. So we are free to use all this. But to use all this, you have to tweak it a little bit. So you should tweak it a little bit so that you won't fall into copyright issues. Okay. So to tweak it a little bit, you can use article writer. So to use article writer, all you have to use let's say. So I'm going to use this for the sake of this video because I don't want it to be too lengthy. But so if you want to use it for your own landing page, you should tweak it a little bit so that you won't fall into the issue, okay, the copyright issue. Okay, let me show you how to use our article writer to write it. Just type in article writer, and you use this first one here. Okay, then you paste in the article you copied from this website here, which is theeverygirl.com. You paste in the article, you paste it into this box here. You copy this, then you head straight to the article writer. Control A, you paste it here, and you hit on I'm not a robot. And you click on this rewrite text. So if you hit on this rewrite text, it will automatically rewrite the article you just pasted here, to automatically rewrite it and give you the result here, which is this. If you read through all this now, if you just read through all this, you see that it looks more original, which is it says if real life was a rom-com, your relationship. So you have to just copy this and head back to your landing page. Then you paste it here, and you paste. So this is the article, and you paste it, and you go to the next paragraph, and you head back to the website. So and you copy this also, you paste it here, paste, and you copy, go back. So I'm not going to use the article writer, but I've showed you how to use the tool here. I've showed you how to use the tool. So all you have to do is copy this, paste it into this box, and copy the rewritten article. Then you paste it back into the website, into your landing page. So as for me, I'm not going to rewrite it again. So I just want to do it so that the video won't get too lengthy. Okay, so you just copy this, head back to your landing page, then you paste in what you just copied from there. So all these are articles. So hit on this insert, and hit on image, select, and you click on Google search image, and you type in dating. Just type in dating, okay, dating, and you wait for it to load up, and you choose one of these images. Choose this, and you insert this. So the image will automatically pop up here. So this is the image. Okay, let's just leave it this way. Head to the next paragraph. Let me delete this. We don't need this. Let's delete this also. We didn't need this. And the only section we need is we didn't need this section also. So I think hide this. We shall hide this. Head back to the website. Then you copy this number 2. So as I told you, before you copy and paste any articles from other websites, be careful. So that I initially told you, if you copy any of this without tweaking it to your in your own way, you might fall into copyright issue. Okay, so all you have to do is to copy this, then head back to this tool I just showed you, which is an article rewriter. Then you paste in the original article, then you rewrite it, then you copy this, then you head back to your landing page and you can use that. Just showing you this for the sake of this tutorial. I don't want this video to be too lengthy. That's why I'm just copying and pasting. So as for you, you don't have to copy and paste, just tweak it before you copy, you paste. So let me copy this, head back, and I paste this, and I paste this here, and I head back to the website again, then I copy this, head back, and you paste. You just copy only this, you copy this, head back, and you paste. Then you add your image, which is our image, select Google image search, then you type in dating to make your landing page simple. Okay, it shouldn't be more than 5 tips, so just make it at most 5 tips so that it will look more okay and simple. So after doing that, so the next thing to do is you want to scroll down to the bottom of this page here. Then you scroll down to the bottom of this page, then you add some arrow to this. You add an arrow. Okay, so you add an arrow to this. So to add an arrow, you want to hit on insert image. I already have an arrow in my PC, and you drag it a little bit to the middle. I'll drag it somewhere here. Let me drag it somewhere here. Just type in learn more here, and you copy your hop link, the hop link you pasted here. You copy your hop link and you paste in the hop link here, then you insert. Okay, then you insert, you bring down the learn more, you bring it down, and you drag it a little bit, go, then you drag it here, and we are good to go. So this is a simple landing page. So this is a simple landing page. Let's change the theme so that it will look more okay. Let's use red, or red stands for love, I think. So let's use red. Okay, let's use red. Then you hit on publish. So I'm going to use date on 1. Okay, and you publish. So we have our landing page, a professional landing page. So if you check through all this, and if you hit this, it will take you to your offer. Okay, so just hit more for us to see how this page looks like. Let's preview. There is a page, a professional landing page. So this is our page, and you want to check through, you want to copy the link, you copy and you open it in a new tab and see how your website looks like. Okay, 100% free landing page. So this is the landing page, then if you hit this, it will take you to the offer. So it will redirect you to the offer. So guys, after you're done with the creation of your landing page, the next thing to do here is to send traffic to the landing page so that you'll be able to make some money. So to send traffic to your landing page, you want to head over to Quora.com. So on getting to Quora, just hit on your profile image as an image profile. Okay, so after hitting on this image profile, you will see some option below, then hit on ads manager. So you are not running ads. So what I want to show you is that I want to show you a trick on how to get the most viewed question to answer so that you'll be able to have more click on your links. So to do that, on getting here, you scroll down to where you see new campaign. So I've already created some campaign already, so I'll just hit on one of the campaign and I'll wait for it to load up. Then I'll scroll down and click on add sets, and I'll wait for it to load up. Then on getting here, I'll click on questions, then I'll click on bulk add. Okay, so you're not going to type anything here, just hit on this bulk add and it will bring you to this box here. So on getting here, the first thing that will come to your mind is the niche you are promoting. So the niche I'm promoting is dating and relationship niche, right? So if you are promoting weight loss offer, all you have to do is to type in weight loss, then it will pop up all the questions under weight loss. But I'm promoting dating and relationship niche. So what I want to type here is I want to type in relationship. So I'll type in relationship, and I'll hit on continue. Then it will pop up all the questions under relationship. So all these are questions under relationship. So this is this question has 10,000 to 15,000 weekly views, so which is a lot for us. Okay, so which is huge. So for us to tap into all this traffic, so all we have to do is just to answer all these questions one after another. So you answer this, but don't try to spam people on Quora, okay, so that Quora will not block you, because if you try to spam others, Quora will ban your account, which you won't like. So all you have to do is to start answering all these questions. So to answer this question, all you have to do is to hit this and to pop all your question. So this is the question, which is what's the best relationship advice you ever got? So to answer this question, you head straight to google.com, then you type in relationship advice, then it will pop up tons of results. So you have to choose one of these, then you read through. Let's choose one of these, which is dating and relationship advice. So let's hit this and see what they got for us here. Okay, good. So all these are relationship advice. All you have to do is just to copy all this and head back to the question and answer it, but try to make it more original. Okay, so you have to add your words to it so that it will look more unique. So like as this person did on his own, and which is shown below. So this person answer is a question as follows. Says my girlfriend and I have been in love for 8 years. We had. So this is how you answer yours also. Okay, so this is how you answer all your, and try to add an image to it. So try to add an image. Then at the end of this, let's say this is the question you answered. So at the end of this, you try to add your link to this, which is this, your landing page link. So you copy it from here. Okay, so you copy your link, then you add your link to this. So you try to make your own question answer look exactly like this. Okay, all you have to do is just to head to google.com, then you type in relationship advice. It will pop up tons of results. Okay, so you just check through the results and use it to answer your question. So that's how it is. I think that's all for now. If you find it helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and smash the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.